If you're looking for the best Helichrysum essential oil, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Healing Solutions Organic Helichrysum Essential Oil. Not every company goes to the expense and effort of obtaining a USDA organic certification for their essential oils, but Healing Solutions has. You can check the official USDA organic database to see the certificate for this product. This business is based in Arizona and has a customer support team available by phone. Like most brands, it tests the oil with gas chromatography and mass spectrometry to ensure its purity. But if you're displeased with it for some reason, they offer a full refund with no questions asked. If you're curious, it looks like they sourced the Helichrysum from Bosnia, Croatia, and France. It's steam distilled and packaged in amber-colored glass with a Eurodropper cap. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Now Essential Oils. Now is another of the best authentic essential oil brands based in the USA. It has reasonable prices and a comprehensive quality control process that starts at the source. The company works with qualified growers to obtain the best Helichrysum flowers that are steam distilled to extract the oil. The oil must pass stringent purity testing in-house including GC/MS, refractive index, specific gravity, organoleptic evaluation, and optical rotation reviews. If you're curious about what organoleptic testing is, it's kind of like wine tasting. A trained expert checks the appearance and the aroma of the essential oil to make sure it matches the gold standard. Now makes no secret of the test results of the Helichrysum oil. For example, one report reveals that the refractive index is between 1.470 and 1.484, while the specific gravity ranges from 0.880 to 0.920. These are the normal range for this type of essential oil made from this particular plant. However, this bottle contains pre-diluted Helichrysum that's blended with jojoba oil. The ratio is 10% Helichrysum to 90% jojoba. At this concentration, it's not quite ready for use directly on the skin. It's wise to dilute it down to 5% or 2% for safety's sake. The number 3 position is held by Cacia Helichrysum and jojoba oil. You'll save a lot of money if you purchase a pre-diluted Helichrysum blend like this one. It contains 30% Helichrysum and 70% jojoba oil, which means it's practically ready to use directly on the skin. We still recommend diluting it down to 2% to avoid skin sensitivity from repeated usage. The brand uses gas chromatography and mass spectrometry to test the oils for purity. They never add artificial fragrances, petroleum, parabens, or dyes. What's on the label is what's in the bottle. And since they are a member-owned co-op, they are working for people instead of a big corporation. What's more, the customer service team is available by phone to answer questions about the oil and other products they offer. Next at number 4 we have Eden's Garden Helichrysum Italicum Essential Oil. This Helichrysum oil comes from Italy. It's produced by a woman-owned and family-operated business based in the USA. It sells straight to the public, making it another of the best non-MLM essential oil companies. The brand tests every batch of essential oils they make and reveal the results of the gas chromatography and mass spectrometry reports to customers. Should you have a question about how to use Helichrysum or what to blend it with, there's a team of certified aromatherapists available to help. The number 5 position is held by Plant Therapy Organic Helichrysum Italicum Essential Oil. There are many reasons why we trust Plant Therapy when we want to purchase essential oils. Primarily, we're glad this brand has batch-specific test reports available to the public. Each oil must pass gas chromatography and mass spectrometry testing done by third-party laboratories as well as an organoleptic review. All of these evaluations give us confidence that the Helichrysum oil is 100% pure and unadulterated. Next, the brand has certified aromatherapists available to answer questions. Whether you want to know what's the best essential oil for the skin or how to use it safely, they are waiting with a response by phone or email. The website is full of educational articles as well. We also love the fair prices. This isn't a multi-level marketing scam. The oils are sold directly to the consumer with no middleman making a profit. The facility where the oil is bottled has a GMP certification for cosmetic good manufacturing practices. This encompasses cleanliness and quality control as well as packaging and labeling. It's also an Epic Green Power partner because the company purchases renewable energy certificates to match its electricity usage. Lastly, the brand offers both organic and non-organic oils. Both are clearly labeled. We selected the organic Helichrysum as it has a pleasant natural fragrance when diffused and seems to work well for healing blemishes and cuts. Plus, it blends well with carrier oils. The company suggests diluting it to 5% with rosehip seed oil to diminish scars, for example. Finally, the number 6 position is dominated by organic Immortal essential oil. In Corsica, they speak French, even though it's just off the coast of Italy. It's one of the best places in the world to obtain Helichrysum. Therefore, it's no surprise that this French brand harvests the flowers by hand on the island. Then, the oil is steam distilled with mountain spring water right after the flowers are picked for maximum freshness and potency. In fact, the oil from Marty's garden is so highly prized it's even sold in pharmacies. Its anti-inflammatory properties relieve muscle pain and banish blemishes. Beyond pure Helichrysum essential oil, the brand also offers related products like Helichrysum perfume. Finally, the Bureau Veritas has certified this business as a direct organic producer, so what you're getting is the purest and best Helichrysum oil from locally grown and produced plants without pesticides. Fans say that it has the best fragrance out of all the varieties available. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.